Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to record a video for an assignment. All right, you will see something like this. When you click on your assignment, you'll see here the instructions, of course, about what to do in your video assignment. In this one, for example, it says to record a video of yourself. What are you doing now? What are your friends or family members doing now? Okay, so to record a video, if you go down to the text box here, and it says here add media, which is basically audio or video. So in this case, we're going to record a video. So you're going to click on this blue record button. Now you're going to click on record. And you have to wait a moment, and here I am. You might have to scroll up or scroll down because you will need to see the start recording button. Okay. Now, in the future, if you only want to record your voice and not your face, you can click here and you can click on no video. Okay, but for this assignment, I really would like to see your face. It helps me a lot to be able to see your face and to watch your mouth. Okay, so scroll down there and you're going to start recording. There's a countdown. Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. Click finish when you're finished. There's my lovely picture. I don't think I want to save that. I don't like my tongue. So I can start over. Click here, start again. There we go. So now I can start again. I want to make myself look good. And then I start recording. Hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Finish that. You'll have to wait a moment for it to save. And then if you think it's okay, you can go ahead and save, or you can watch first of all. Hello, testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now a title is always good. And for this assignment, I'm going to write present continuous verb practice. And then you're going to click on save. And that might take a few minutes, especially if it's a long video, it will take a few minutes, so you'll have to be patient, okay? And this one hopefully won't take long because it was very, very quick, my video. But after this circle finishes, you will see you should be able to, very important, click on submit, okay? But don't click on submit until this is finished circling around and around. And then you click on submit and then I will get your video. This function is also in discussions. So if you ever want to show a video of yourself in discussions, you can do the same thing. Just go over to our discussions here, click on there. Click on reply first of all, and then you will be able to see that recording video. So here it's taking too long, but in the future, you guys, after you click on save, make sure you click submit, and then I will be able to get your video. There it is. I have submitted it correctly. There it is. All right, you guys, good luck. Thank you.